Good morning. It is the 19th day of January 2021, currently 9:45 a.m. Eastern Time. My name is Derek. This is the Money Charts channel, all bets, trades, and of the like within each his own risk and their own reward. I've got these lines that I've been put in from the high and the low representing exponential Fibonacci retracement. 23.6% on the way up, and it's supported and hasn't seen it since. A few times we've already seen it support the 38.2% level, doing so here and here, and it congested, resisted it for a while. And sure, having a little battle right now with the 61.8% level. Within such, resistance, 7 a.m. stamp. Here, now it's just hanging in there and above it, really with it, within it. Single hour term, showing how we had resistance here at 7 in the morning yesterday. Again, up finishing at 8 p.m. and then coming back up at 2 in the morning, and since then it is just congested, staying within it. And even here at 7 in the morning, a little bit of a try attempt to break this down, and so far the buyers are coming back, and there's been a lot of control within it here, even just seeing this little period here at 9:15 a.m. on the 15-minute. This, to me, looks as if we're going to be having continued upside moving forward. Moving on next to LITECOIN, I think we're almost in a chase on who's going to be LITECOIN's nowhere near all-time highs. Well, yes, it is. If we look at this low, this high, I mean, it's 160. All-time highs were like 400 before. It's got to do a little bit more than double. See how it's looking to attempt to get above, and it has gotten above this level of resistance. It got back there back in 2019. And then this long pullback, and now back above it again. And in doing such, we got some key resistance at 200, but do we? I really don't think so. 4. We resisted this level here, and then it came up. Now, whenever I see a situation like this, when you break a key level, which was done on the 3rd, then you have a really good move, but not good enough to even come close to this line like you see in such. And if you have a correctionary move back and support what was supposed to be resistance, and then you have quick excitation, which it looks like it's attempting to do, I would most certainly deem this as extremely weak resistance, and expect the next leg would be that next leg higher than that. And in such, that to me would be about previous high, coming in at around 400. That would be what I'd be expecting as its next move. And as far as Ethereum, again, the race to all-time highs, way back when, and in this case, this is January of early January at that of 2018. The high was $1,420. And on that of Ethereum, well, it's only $6 away from its previous all-time highs. And within today's session, well, yesterday the high was, it was $12.93. So for today's high is $14.40. So amongst the 1 minute time frame, it got up to all-time highs around 7 in the morning. And that's where it stands now. So it used to be years and years and years. Now it's been minutes and minutes and minutes, and a lot of minutes, since Ethereum had its last all-time high. And then as one quick example, its sister coin Ethereum Classic, or whatever you want to name it, 45 high back at the 2018 start. It's still got a long ways to go. It's set up. Well, I find it very interesting, actually. Started 2019, attempt to break out, not so quite, but it did support. Another attempt, not again, but successful supporting, and a little bit of an attempt here, successful supporting, and we're currently having another little bit of an attempt. Then I'll take Verge as the next one, and this is just pretty much random, but not really. 30 some odd cents it was, now it's 1.3. It was a good 1/5 of a penny, 1/3. You can see trying to get above it here in the middle part of 2020. Then just correcting more sideways, but has gotten above last year's resistance and 18 average, making a higher low and now another higher high. And, it's gotten its ass kicked, but it looks to me as if it's ready to run in. A lot of this is showing to me that we could be and should be maybe in store for a nice dartboard bull market. And I'll finish it off with the BTCD or Bitcoin dominance. And during the last one, this is when it all started before, right? The end of February, start of March of 2017, and then everything topped pretty much started January of 2018, and that's where it is here. If there's going to be anything like that, this thing would roll over. Now, how high can this go? And the next question after that is, how well can it hold this move that it's had on the upside? Can, of course, this go lower? And that would, of course, would be, we see Cardano's up like 20% today, and Theta's up 30, and this is up 7, this is up 48, and Bitcoin's up 1. And that was a lot of the commonalities that happened on several spots before. And I mean, it got even wild because really what happened, a lot of it too back then was in December of 2017, Bitcoin was pretty much doing what we've been seeing a lot of recently, just going up and up and up, or other coins were not really going up against the dollar, and thus getting its ass kicked against Bitcoin. And then all of a sudden, we get start of December of 2017, and everything is just going up big. And like I mentioned, it's like LITECOIN going up 40% and Bitcoin going up 7 type days. It was just wild, which we can see would have been right in here, December 8th, right around here, December 11th, the move that brought it from here to here. Thank you for tuning in. Have yourself a great day. Bye-bye.